Okay, welcome back to another video, guys. Today we're going to be doing a farming simulator tutorial on how to harvest crops. Now, the crop we are going to be harvesting today is known as wheat. And wheat can be used to make bread, all sorts of things. But make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. You don't have to if you don't want to, but I highly recommend it. It would really help me out on my journey to becoming a famous YouTuber, if I ever do become one. Now, the first step you need to do in this journey is go to career right here. Now, you'll enter this menu. Hit an empty slot. You can use whatever one you want, just do not do hard. What I like to do to start off is go to medium farm manager. The standard setting for getting started, you don't own any land, but have more substantial funds ready for spending. The economy is stable, grain prices are decent, and gameplay elements are on the standard settings. Click farm manager. It might take a little bit to load the map, Elm Creek. If you want, you can listen to the tips at the bottom. They could help you a lot, but this video is not going to reside off of those tips. You can customize your character for your own likings and your own visual likings too, but I just did my own character, so hit escape to confirm, and now you have your beautiful farmland. Now, what you want to do is hit escape to this menu right here. If you look to the right side screen, you can see the filters, and what we want is wheat. So click on wheat. Click on wheat. Okay, now, as you can see, there is not much wheat in this area, but there is farmland 22, which should have wheat in it because it's highlighted. Now, what you want to do is go to X farmland and then go to this farmland right here, 39. The value is quite pricey, but don't worry, it may be different for you. Now, hit space to buy the farmland. Now that you bought the farmland, you can hit back. And wait, actually, you don't want to do that. You want to go to the earth thing again, and then go over to this little shopping cart icon right here. And if you can tell, it is probably a store, so we will want to click on it and hit at the bottom, it says visit, so hit space. And now you should be right here. Now hit R to open the shop menu, and you're right here now. Now go to harvesters. Do not mistake it for forage harvesters. Only go for this harvester right here. Now I'll give you a list of different types of harvesters that you can use, but the one we're going to be using today in this tutorial is the John Deere T560 harvester right here. It is also quite pricey, but don't worry. We're not worrying about the price right now. I want you to click on it. And now that you have the John Deere T560 harvester, you can review it, and you can customize it with the wheel setup. Let's just do standard and none of these crazy stuff. You can also select the wheel brand, but we're not going to do that right now. What you really want to do is hit the buy button at the bottom. Yes, you want to purchase it for $2,805,000. You can fetch your purchase at the shop. Now, hit escape, but actually, we don't want to go that yet. Now go back to vehicles and go to harvesters. Wait, go to tools, okay. Now we want to go to heaters. And now these heaters are all we have to use. I don't think they're able to be branded for the type of tractor you can use. I think they're all sorts of types, but let's just do the John Deere one right here, which would bring ourselves down to $700,832. That is our final balance we want here. And my estimate was right. Now, since you have your heater and your tractor, or actually harvester, my mistake, come over here and come over to your harvester. Now drive the harvester like you normally would in any sort of game. Once you get close enough, it should say attach John Deere 625X at the bottom. Now hit Q. if you're on keyboard. I don't know what type of button it is on the controller, but what you want to do is take this to your new and improved, nice little farmland up there. It may take a while to get there, but don't worry. We have a path on order to get there. What we want to do is go down this path right over here. It may take a little bit to get to your farmland, but don't worry, that is very common. Watch out for cars, they could easily throw your tractor off course. It's kind of annoying that wheat is so far away from my farmland, which makes it a little bit more harder to record this video because I only have a certain amount of time to record it, which sucks. Yes. Make sure to be careful when you're on the streets because you don't want to cause property damage, or just what I did. I don't think it does anything in the game, but try to be nice to your surroundings. You're almost to your farmland. Awesome, right? Check your map, make sure you're going to the right place. Now what we need to do is really just go straight for a little bit. As you can see, we're kind of pulling up. Here we are at the trail now. Now what we want to do is get to the barn, I think, or the stable, the area where you... By the way, I'm sort of new to this game now. I kind of just figured out how to harvest farmland, but I just wanted to share that with others just so they know how to play the game and how to start normally with harvesting. Now make your way to this farmland right over here, and there we go. Sorry for the inconvenience. Oh shoot, there's a deer. Well, welcome to your farmland. Now what you really need to do is hit B to turn on the harvester. Oh, my mistake, you need to unfold it first. So hit X to unfold your harvester. Now that you unfolded the harvester, hit O to pike out. And the most important part, or one of the most important part, is lower heater. Now, turn on the harvester. Now you can start cutting. At the bottom it should say your percentage of harvesting. But yeah, that's pretty much how to harvest the field. Thank you guys so much for watching, and you guys really helped me. Hopefully this video helps you out whenever you play Farming Simulator 22. Oh yeah, by the way, this is Farming Simulator 22. If you're playing on other versions, this may not work, but it may be similar in some ways. By the way, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!